So you've decided you have some big problems in your factory. How are you going to fix them? There's many ways to take it. One of the first ways is maybe you just want to fix them yourself. You're going to go try to find out how to do it. But maybe your people really have never had to see other factories. They don't know what is capable of being out there. You could go to a training company that could teach you how to do lean manufacturing, and your people could get certifications and have a nice piece of paper, and they know how to do lean manufacturing or Six Sigma. Or you could go to a local consulting company who, again, only has one kind of basis in them. They've only fixed furniture factories or electronic factories or something like that. Or you could use an international style consulting firm that has basis in many different kinds of factories. They've seen automotive, aerospace, electronic, furniture, shoes. They've been able to do work with tooling and many other different things. Go in and take an overall look to how your factory is going to do. And the good news with this is it's usually a short-term solution. The consulting company shouldn't be with you forever. They should be there to show you how to fix your work, change things in your factory, and then make sure those changes have taken hold, and then leave.